Hello and welcome you all dear students. Today we are going to start the fourth chapter of Behave, a truly beautiful mind, about Albert Einstein. Dear students, Albert Einstein was born on 14th March 1879 in a German city of Ulm. Her mother thought him to be a freak. At the age of 2.5, he wasn't still talking when he learned he uttered everything twice. His playmates used to speak him brother boring. He loved mechanical toys. His headmaster told him, his father, that whatever profession his son might take, he won't get any success. Learned to play violin because his mother wanted him to and became a gifted violinist. Went to high school in Munich and scored good marks. Left the school at the age of 15. Dear students, the previous year, his parents had moved to Milan and left him with their relatives. He got his wish to continue his education in German speaking Switzerland. Einstein was highly gifted in mathematics and interested in physics. Dear students, at a university in Zurich, felt a special interest in a fellow student, Mileva Merrick, whom he found to be a clever creature. He fell in love and wrote a letter to each other, mixing science with tenderness. In 1900, at the age of 21, he was a university graduate and unemployed. Worked as a teaching assistant, gave private lessons, and finally secured a job in 1902 as a technical expert in the patent office in Bern. While he was supposed to be assessing other people's invention, Einstein was actually developing his own ideas and secret. He is said to have jokingly called his desk drawer at work the Bureau of Theoretical Physics. After that, dear students, one of the famous paper of 905 was Einstein's special theory of relativity, according to which time and distance are not absolute. Indeed, two perfectly accurate clocks will not continue to show the same time if they come together again after a journey if one of them has been moving very fast relative to the other. From this followed the world's most famous formula which describes the relationship between mass and energy is equal to mc. Dear students, while Einstein was solving the most difficult problems in physics, his private life was unavailing. Albert had wanted to marry Mileva right after finishing his studies, but his mother was against it. She thought Mileva, who was 3 years older than his son, was too older for him, called the wedding off. Finally, he married in January 1903 and had two sons, but a few years later, the marriage faltered. Mileva was losing her intellectual ambitions and becoming an happy housewife. After years of constant fighting, the couple finally divorced in 1919. Einstein married his cousin Elsa the same year. Dear students, in 1915, he had published his General Theory of Relativity, which proved a new interpretations of gravity. The newspaper proclaimed his work as a scientific revolution. Einstein received the Nobel Prize for Physics in 1921. After that, Nazis came to power in Germany in 1933. Einstein emigrated to the United States. 5 years later, the discovery of nuclear fission in Berlin had American physicists in an uproar. You know, Einstein wrote a letter to the American President Franklin D. Roosevelt on 2 August 1939, in which he warned a single bomb of this type exploded in a port might very well destroy the whole port together with the sum of the surrounding territory. Dear students, Einstein was deeply shaken by the extent of destructions. This time, he wrote a public missive to the United Nations. In it too proposed the formation of a world government. Unlike the letter of Roosevelt, this one made no impact, but over the next decade, Einstein got ever more involved in politics, agitating for an end to the arms build-up and using his popularity to campaign for peace and democracy. When Einstein died in 1955 at the age of 76, he was celebrated as a visionary and world citizen as much as scientific genius. Dear students, here are given some questions related to these chapters. I hope that you will try to write the answer of the following questions. Thank you. Have a nice day.